friends, I just want to give you a quick little preview of the journal I'm making. So this is the Darling Ducklings kit. So this is my cover, and I lined the cover with this yellow paper. I have started to decorate it. So I've glued in some little ephemera here. I made a little pocket. I have the library card here. I put a little tab on top, and then I decorated the back of it. That's about as far as I've gotten on the decorating though. One thing I do want to point out, on the inside, I cut my inside liner in half, and then I glued those in because I wanted there to be a little bit of give when I open and close this. I want that to open and close easily. And I'm going to use an elastic binding, I think, to put my signature in. By the way, if you're a beginner and you don't know what a signature is, it's a chunk of papers like that. It is not that thing you write with a pen in your hand. Okay, so it took me forever to figure out what the signature was. So I'm just going to flip through these real quick and show you the pages I picked out. Some of them are paper, some of them are cardstock. Everything is two-sided. This is the paper I used for my cover, my inner cover, upside down. And then I tried to alternate the journal writing pages with other pages. This is my center spread, so that'll be the center of my journal. Thought that was beautiful for the center. And then I have more journaling places, and some of the blank spots I'll just leave blank. Some of them I'll probably embellish with tags and pockets and all kinds of fun stuff. But these are such pretty country little papers. I had a really hard time deciding what papers to include and not include, but I didn't want a real big journal, so what I might end up doing is making several journals. And that's the end. Just wanted to give you some ideas on that. That's the progress I'm making. See you soon.